Johnny, are you gonna play nice today? We finally got a halfway decent day. Man, the weather's been crummy. As you can tell, it's pretty windy now, but I'm gonna reinforce this base and see what we can do with this thing. Alright, it's laying on my metal here, which I gotta put an ad to see if I can sell that. It's either that or I'm hauling that with. I want to try to slide it off of that metal first and then kind of go from there. I'll get this stuff moved over here. Alright, let me show you what I got. I got multiple pulling points up here where it's bolted on. 2 different chains. I got everything tacked back down. I'm missing 1 brace down there, but my first thought was just to pull it back, but you know, with that excavator, I'm gonna try. If I can get them 2 to dig in the ground, if I can pull it and lift it, I'll go the whole way if I can. We'll see. Hey guys, you see what I got going on behind me? Well, if you want to see how this is gonna go, stay tuned. Let's finish it out, see what happens. Make sure I close the cab door though. Looks like it might be plan B. I was wondering if that was going to come loose. Looks like the top came loose there. Yeah, it's so heavy that I don't know that it would have worked anyway. So if I could get it separated from the base, then I could manage it maybe a little more. Alright, I found the weak link in their design. I wanted to salvage the whole thing, and I still might. So they have this bolted on 2x4 support, which has been good, but then they just had this whole thing secured with these 2x4 blocks. So this top piece has separated. Now I'm going to try and replicate that and just pull that bottom piece off. If that works, we might be in business. We'll see. Right, not too terribly bad. I'll grab onto that with the forks now, move that out of the way, and I still got to come up with a plan for that thing. This thing's a tank. I mean, it's probably a ton on its own, maybe even more. Let's try something else over here. Whew. It's cold out here and hot in the tractor. I'll take it though. All right, I'm coming up with a plan. Alright, so the plan here is to slowly tip it over and have it land on the ladder so I can get forks under it. I left a lot of slack so the thing don't slam into the bucket. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that's the plan. We'll see. Alright, well, let's survey the damage. That wall got crushed in. This window is still... Look at that. Here's the chair. Flipped over. That window survived. This one here, though... Well, the storm hit us pretty good. Doggone it. Let me show you the back side of this thing. That thing is super heavy. It hit this blind right here. You can see right there. Hopefully the windows didn't bust out of it. Ah, that one did. Doggone it. Come on. Oh yes! Quadruple prizes. The windows survived. I'll be darned. I'll be darned. Let's go look inside. That's a little victory for today. Yes. Now, if this was Missouri, I'd just leave it right here with a high-powered rifle. Let's get this chair back laying down anyways. Oh, nice. A little spray foam and we'll be good to go. Oh, a little sledgehammer action right here. No big deal. You can get the sledgehammer and a couple screws. I think we're golden. All right, I tried to sledgehammer it, slam it, and I decided I'm gonna reset it all. So I'm gonna get the forks on the RX, get it up on level ground, put blocks under the corners, and then tweak it up some more. Windy out here. I'm gonna double X brace at least 2 sides on this, put that missing bottom piece on, and I'm debating what I'm gonna do on the corner of that roof. It's really not bad. Sharon grabbed me a metal flashing that I could bend around it, but it's really not that bad. I might just spray some rubber like bed liner or flex seal stuff on there. All right, I got all the nails out on both of these rails on top. I'm gonna cut them ends off. They're kind of rotted and there are screws in there. So I'm gonna cut like 6 inches off. That was a little deck to get in before you get in the door. I got X bracing on 2 sides, or I should say double X bracing. So it's really starting to firm up. All them screws busted off there, so I salvaged this little deck area. Probably wrapping it up for today. I lost a few of the screws from up here that I knocked out. I never did order one of them wheel magnets. Well, I think I just heard one. On down here. Oh, look at the prizes. I'm gonna move this scaffolding and put everything away and call it. All right, let's get everything put away for now. Clean this up and call that a success. I ended up double X bracing on 3 of the 4 sides. That really firmed it up. Put a new beam on the bottom. Got everything cleaned up. It's ready if I want to try to use it again. We'll see how it's going to go one day at a time. Guess that's a good enough spot to leave the pallet forks. Although I had ants under it last time.